Hi guys, it's Dr. Bell. Let's talk about sunscreens. Ano nga ba ang halaga ng sunscreen? Ano ang mga tinitingnan natin kapag pumipili ng sunscreen? At ano ang tamang paraan ng paglagay ng sunscreen? Although sun ay essential sa atin, overexposure can lead to serious health effects such as skin cancer, premature aging, at mga eye conditions such as cataracts. Ang UV radiation ay isang carcinogen at mayroong itong harmful effects sa ating skin. Merong two types, yung UVA and UVB. UVA, hindi po siya na-absorb ng ozone layer. It penetrates deep into our skin and is the primary cause or heavily contributes to premature aging. So ito po yung mga nagkakos sa atin ng wrinkles, age spots, while yung UVB is partially absorbed by the ozone layer. It affects the surface of our skin and that is the primary cause of sunburn. Paano nga ba nagwo-work ang sunscreens? Sunscreens protect our skin by absorbing UVA and UVB rays. Meron itong SPF, which is your sun protection factor. Ito yung number na nagde-determine kung gaano katagal tayo mamumula after applying sunscreen properly compared doon sa walang in-apply na sunscreen. So for example, naggamit tayo or gumamit tayo ng SPF 30 na sunscreen, it will take 30 times longer for us to burn compared doon sa walang in-apply na sunscreen. Ang number na ito rin ang nagsasabi kung gaano kataas yung protection na maibibigay sa atin against UVB rays. If meron tayong SPF 15 na sunscreen, it will protect us 93% from UVB rays. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na pag gumamit tayo ng SPF 30, dinodouble nito ang effect ng SPF 15. Ang SPF 30 ay 97% na protection ang maibibigay against UVB rays. So wala pong sunscreen na nakakapagbigay ng 100% protection or 100% na nabla-block ang UVB rays. Ang Philippine Dermatological Association ay nagre-recommend na gumamit tayo ng SPF 30 or higher na sunscreens. They also recommend the use of broad-spectrum sunscreens. Ibig sabihin, pinoprotect nito both UVA and UVB rays. Dermatologists also recommend to use water-resistant sunscreens, meaning the sunscreen is capable of staying on wet or sweaty skin for a longer while before you need to reapply. Ano ang mga dapat tandaan? Una, kailangan gumamit ng sunscreen whenever going outdoors. 80% of sun's UV radiation can still reach the earth. Second, apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes prior to stepping outdoors for it to be absorbed by the skin prior to sun exposure. Third, apply sufficient amount, especially sa mga exposed areas. Fourth, huwag kakalimutan, applyan or mag-apply ng sunscreen sa noo, sa tenga, sa neck, at sa paa. Kasi yun yung mga parts ng katawan na minsan nakakalimutan natin. Next, kailangan mag-reapply tayo every 2 hours or after swimming. Para po ma-protect yung lips natin, we can use lip balm or lipsticks na may sunscreen containing SPF 30 or higher. Because no single sunscreen can completely block 100% UVB rays, it is important to do additional measures for our skin to get protected from the sun. So ano pa ang pwedeng gawin? Of course, we can use protective clothing. We can use eye protection such as shades. Meron pong mga shades na may UV protection. Limit our sun exposure, especially sa peak hours from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Together with using sunscreen, we can protect our skin from the UV rays. Always remember to follow the recommendations of using sunscreen that are SPF 30 or higher, broad spectrum, and water resistant. And most importantly, FDA approved. Laging tandaan, lahat ng sobra ay masama. Masama ang sobrang sun exposure. Bye!